Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simple Tech. If today is your first time watching my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. So guys, we want to talk about how to install 7.2 solar panel. This is 7.2 solar panel with our charge controller. Here is our charge controller, also with the sensor module. Then we have our wire here. This is our wire. We have our wire here, so we connect it. Then we have our battery, 3.7 volt battery. We have it here, guys. Then this is our multimeter. Here is our multimeter to use. So let's go, guys. Thank you. So guys, we've already completed the installation, and then all wire connected parallel to the battery and to solar charging controller. So you can see the light has on already. So this is the light. Then we have our solar panel outside. See, here is the wire. So this is our wire here. Then we have our solar outside. This is our solar, guys. So please like, share and comment and subscribe. So everything connected parallel. So here is our wire. Then we pass it here. So here is the wire. See, we have it here, down here. This is the solar charging. Solar charging. Then this is our light. This is our light here. So this is the solar controller, the switch and the other activities. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.